Genius. Super genius. Why did this happen? Tell me fast, you alien rat.
Please stop that. You need to have the sundial tracking device. Only with that, you can get the next speed or whatever.
What do you guys want now?
We saw that boy inside the forest. Yes, he can control many things with his powers.
Kid Krish? Kid Krish. Aha, Kid Krish. Looks like that poor boy wasn't lucky enough to die in China. This is such a terrific news. A weak Kid Krish is coming here at this place, that too, carrying the sundial. Giobino?
Shh. Mingyu, this is Jadu. Remember I told you about him?
I'm really very happy to meet you, Jadu.
Dr. Para tricked us very badly, Krishna. Toto and Coco are now under his captivity. Listen, come what may, Krishna, we need to remain at a safe place.
Jadu, there's one more thing. During that fight, Para snatched away the sacred bead and the communicator from me, and my powers have also weakened. Please forgive me, Jadu. All of you got caught because of me.
The Jadrukian powers in Krishna's DNA have become weak. To patch up this weakness, I need to take the help of Coco and Toto. Dr. Para has set up his base near a goddess's idol in the desert. We got to go there and rescue them, Krishna.
Jadu, this is the same tribe which guards that goddess's idol. An identical miniature idol of that goddess has been kept outside the Chief Kara Kitten's tent. These are the same people whom we saw in the hologram and the history book. To fight off Dr. Para, we should seek help from Chief Kara Kitten.
He will never agree. Whatever we have to do now, we've got to do it ourselves.
Do what? May I know? And who else is in here? My father was so correct. We should never ever trust anyone from the outside world. What have you come here for? Tell me the truth, or else I will go and tell my father everything right now.
No, Julian, hold on. Jadu, looks like you have to show up now. This is Jadu, Julian, a friend of ours, and all of us need your help.
Huh? Daddy, look, we've got to help them out. Their friends are in danger. Those savage people are our enemies also, Dad. And this is our chance to fight and defeat those savages.
Enough, Julian. You have no idea about the strength those savages possess. They are the Kublai clan, the most dangerous tribe of Mongolia. Those were the people who attacked you in the forest.
Huh?
It's been a long time. After the war with the Kublai clan that we've come and settled out here, in this forest at northern China. Forget those old enmities. There will be no more bloodshed, death or devastation.
Daddy, you've always asked me to fight for the just cause. How can you say...
You are still a small girl, Julian. You won't understand. You saved Julian from those Kublai warriors. I will never ever forget that. But it would be better for all of us if you both leave this place by tomorrow morning.
We can't wait that long, Chief Kara Kitten. We got to leave right away.
As you wish.
I'm also coming along with you.
Julian, you will not step out of this village. Come back here. Julian.
I will definitely help my friends. No one is scared of those savages. I'm not going to back off now, Daddy.
If you don't listen to me, I will be then forced to imprison all of you.
Daddy, even fight. I have to help my friends in this fight.
Huh?
It's looking out for me.
No, don't. You don't have enough powers with you. Hey, look, you can't go like this. It is extremely risky.
I am willing to take it, Jadoo.
But-
You know it very well. I got to help these people. So what if I can't turn into Kid Krish? That doesn't mean I become a silent spectator and watch this. Mingyu, Julian, let's go.
Run for your life!
You helped us to save the tribesmen of Demyukwing. We are grateful to you, Krishna.
My friends' lives are still at danger. I got to go and help them out. If we are unable to complete our friend Jadoo's mission, it is likely that many people are going to die. We better start now. Come on, Mingyu.
Huh? Krishna, wait. You're ready to fight for your friends even in this condition? Please, don't embarrass me anymore, Krishna. This is not just your fight now. We are also going to join you. Dear friends, it's time now to return to our homeland. We and our entire Demyukwing tribe are the true guardians of the goddess's idol. The Kublai tribe tried to forcefully snatch away the goddess's idol from us, but she went and hid in the Mongolian desert. Till date, they are searching for her, and they are not going to relent. We got to fight them and stop them once and for all. We are not going to live in fear. This moment onwards, that Kublai tribe won't be able to scare us at all. Morindo! 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 Morindo!
I need to move alone from this point.
Hey!
Jadoo, move. Go in and look for Coco and Toto.
Look who do we have here. So you did receive my invitation after all, didn't you, Kid Krish? Oh, excuse me, I mean Krishna? This time, Dr. Para slipped a bit in identifying you. I should have guessed that it can be no one else other than Rohit's son behind that mask. Rohit's powers are now in his son. How clever. Unfortunately, you are just ordinary Krishna now, and Kid Krish won't come to help you ever again in your lifetime.
Where are my friends, Para? Hold on. Just release them. What do you want?
You surely are aware of it. A very simple exchange offer. You get me that sacred bead with the help of the sundial, and in exchange of that favor, I'll happily release both these alien rats from the cage right away. Buy one, get one free.
All right. But they should be left unharmed.
Don't worry, I'm known for treating my guests with great care, you know. The gas flow has been stopped, you see. Giovino, keep a watch here. Now will you please come this way, Krishnaji?
I knew you'll come to rescue us. Didn't I tell you, Coco? You were getting scared for nothing. I was getting scared? You know, Krishna has lost all his powers, Toto. Look at his scan. Krishna's Jadrukian powers have become very low. We have to get back Krishna's Jadrukian powers. Krishna's life is in danger. What?